Let us move on to the next one, which is gerade and ungerade symmetry. Molecular orbitals having centrosymmetric are called gerade orbitals, that means they are symmetric, and molecular orbitals that are not having centrosymmetric are called ungerade. If you look at here, there is a center of symmetry. You start from the center, you go to any corner, you will get exactly the same sign in both the cases. So these type of orbital, especially the sigma bonding orbitals, are called gerade orbitals, and when we go to the sigma star, that is antibonding orbitals, these are called ungerade. So if you start from here, you go to the top, you have positive sign, and when you come here on the opposite side you have negative sign. So that means there is no center of symmetry, or this particular antibonding orbital is not having centrosymmetry. So this is called ungerade orbital. This is basically for the SS overlap, and when we have the PP overlap, we have a similar type. Centrosymmetry is present in the sigma bonding orbital. So this is called a sigma G, and when we move on to the antibonding, that is sigma star orbital, this is not having center of symmetry, or centrosymmetric is not present in this particular antibonding orbital. So this is called sigma U, and when we go to the PP overlap, we have the pi bonding. If we look at the center of symmetry for this one, we have a positive lobe on one side and the negative lobe on the other side. In other words, we have no center of symmetry in the case of pi bonds, that is bonding pi orbital is not having center of symmetry. So this is called pi U, whereas when we go to the antibonding orbital, we have a negative loop and this is a positive loop if we consider. So we have two positive lobes from the center on opposite direction, and negative lobes on the opposite direction from the center. So we call this is having a center of symmetry. So antibonding pi star orbital is represented at gerade. If you look here, we are not having s and p orbitals in this gerade and ungerade symmetry, because they cannot be classified due to uneven distribution.